Hi, so today I just wanted to display a crochet lace front wig that I've been creating, and actually this is using some crochet hair from the beauty supply. I believe it was a Aruba curl. That's the curl pattern. It looks kind of like a kinky curl type pattern. And so what I did was I purchased the Swiss lace at my local beauty supply, and I think it was like the 13 by or 13 by 4 inch, something like that. I purchased like ear to ear, basically. They had like a 4 by 4, and then they had this one that, spanned from the ear to ear. So that's what I've been doing. And then what I did was, rather than using the spandex, I used a stocking cap, and so I've just been installing the wig, little by little. And actually, it's been a couple of days now, but I use it. I've actually seen it as a project and just decided, you know what, I'll take my time in doing it. And so I've done like, you know, part of the back, most of the back, almost to the crown. And I decided that I would begin with, because the major work is actually the when you want to install the um the lace part, because that you have to use little hair, is a small crochet hook, or some people call it a knit picker. Okay, so that's what I've been using. As you can see, it's really small, and you just install it in, like you would like a regular crochet, and go from there. So and I have a little middle part, and I still have a little ways to go, but I've just been taking little by little, do a little rest, go do what I need to do and come back to it. And I think it's in pretty good. Alrighty, so you can create your own, and there's no limitation. Thank you. To ventilate a wig, how to ventilate a lace front wig, and I'm just showing a short description of what I'm doing. So I have my hook right on, if you can see, on the hair, and you just bring the hook real close to the hair piece. What I'm using right here is a knit picker, or a really tiny crochet needle, and as you can see, I'm slowly applying the hairs onto this. Alrighty, so I'm just taking the latch hook on, opening the latch hook, grabbing about a few pieces of hair. Shouldn't be too much. Be 2 to 4 pieces in the front. And as you can see, I started out with some baby hairs that I made, like little baby hairs, and